Hi everybody, my name is Lori Yingling and I am the Director of Technology at Lubin Christi School, and I want to give you an overview of our technology initiatives so you can kind of have a big picture scope and sequence of what we focus on. I'm going to start with our YouTube channel. One of our tenets of technology integration for students and staff is that we want to create, we want to use devices, any device, to create projects for multiple purposes, for teachers to create products and projects for student learning, for students to create projects for formative and summative assessment. So what you're seeing is just a sampling of projects that students automatically publish and teachers publish. So publishing to YouTube is an automatic process that teachers and students learn, but the premise is that we are creating here, and we know from Bloom's taxonomy that when we create, we are working at our highest cognitive level. So some of these videos are from 8th grade summative and formative assessments in science, but we have other grade levels here. So you can, our YouTube channel is a great overview of even what's happening in classes. So we create and then we publish to our YouTube channel. And publishing to YouTube gives us a public platform where people can provide feedback to students, that teachers will notice a video and comment to a student, or administrators or other students will say, oh my gosh, I saw your video, I want to do something like it, or the work that you did. We also focus on real world and authentic learning. So some of our projects here are applications of student learning where we do things like, and I'm looking for a playlist, sorry, but we do a newscast. So grade levels take turns and we do a newscast to provide news, classroom news, updates, sports, weather, that kind of a thing. So we use technology and really student learning to embed real world practices to prepare our students for college and career. We also focus on professional learning in many different ways using technology. So this page is a catalog or an archive of best practices in the classroom, not limited at all to technology, but to teaching and learning, instructional practice. So we use this platform, this site, as a way for teachers to build their own professional learning based on the Bloom's taxonomy, the SAMR model, and our understanding of rigor and relevance, to teach and learn above the line, to go to our highest level. And here are options and pages where our teachers can go and learn about different things, how to apply technology, but also they want to understand a topic, and this would be a first step for them. This is open to the public, and we do share this with other schools and even students so that they can see exactly what we're talking about. Another example of real world authentic learning is that we embed project-based learning. 5th grade has taken the lead on this, and we've done different projects where we do a true real-world collaborative problem or project-based application of learning, where students are in charge of their own learning, and we cross content areas and embed technology within that. Another This website is kind of an overview for parents of our technology focus. So We have a bring your own device program, BYOD. So students and parents can go here and get what are the frequently asked questions, just an overview of our BYOD um, process. And again, this website then goes further for staff to, again, build your own professional development. We catalog and archive resources for different initiatives that we have at Lumen Christi. So that is that page. Social media is a big part of our technology integration because we want to get our stuff out there. We post daily and we highlight what's happening in the school. We take it from the perspective of someone from the outside looking at our school. What kind of impression would they get? We want insight into the classroom daily. So this is a big focus for us. And we take it a step further. We have Facebook, Instagram, we're initiating Twitter, but for Instagram, to embed real world authentic learning experiences, we have students helping with Instagram posts. So to teach them how to use social media appropriately, we have them post to our Instagram channel, which automatically feeds to Facebook. Um, and also, speaking of students, we have a student group called Saint Squad, students actively involved in technology, networking and technology, and they teach weekly on Wednesdays Techology 101 classes. This is our list of foundational skills, or in we have four categories: foundational skills, multimedia integration, information literacy or internet searching skills, and then digital citizenship. So all of these red links are links to how can I find more information about this. And this is kind of a platform where we are cataloging what we need to know, skills that students and staff need to know. So we're building what are the basics of using technology, of using our Google Apps platform. Google Apps is inherent in our teaching and learning, students and staff. We primarily use Google for everything from calendar to document collaboration. And here are the basics of being information literate. So we're building this platform. This is multimedia integration where students create these tutorials and let's just listen for a second. This is a link here and I think this is a student. Oh, this is actually a teacher, but we have students who create the tutorials and they learn a lot from it, and then they can become the expert on sharing.
Welcome to this 2-minute techie tip brought to you by the Lumen Christi Saint Squad. Students actively involved in networking and technology.
Okay, so then we also are looking at offering summer classes on these very skills. So having kind of a Techology 101 boot camp so that we can ensure as technology becomes more and more just not every day, that it's embedded everywhere, that we can build on those skills. Also, our technology professional learning, in addition to online sites and online resources, we offer after school optional workshops, we offer summer workshops, we team teach in the classroom. Part of my role is to support teachers behind the scene, support the administrators so that they look good. I work for teachers so that they run the show with technology integration in the classroom. They tell me what their goal is and focus standards based, and then I work to help what either application or how could we do this and create and publish our work so that we use technology to support student learning. And I think what I'll end with is kind of our overview, how we look at technology. We define it, technology use in the classroom, in schools, really is defined as uh, giving us the ability to remove the limitations of the traditional classroom and teach and learn in ways that were previously inconceivable. So I'll leave you with that, and thank you. And that's kind of a quick overview of our technology focus, our technology integration processes at Lumen Christi. Thanks so much for listening.